festival who sabzi. So what's something like that?
And आखिरी पास्ता.
लेकिन ऐसा कुछ और देखने मिलेगा सर आपसे?
बहुत जल्दी, इसलिए मैंने दाढ़ी रखी है. You'll be seeing me in a very cruel role.
Sir, tell us something about that, please.
About the role? नहीं, I'm under sworn contract.
Sir, but something, not the movie, name of it. ऊपर
My character. I'll come back after the interval में आता हूँ.
Sir, लेकिन होली के plans क्या?
होली के plans तो हमेशा कलरफुल ही रहते हैं, and hopefully this year I should be going to Goa to play Holi.
So wishes sir.
Happy Holi आप सबको from Chunky Pandey. May your life be as colorful as you play Holi this year. Thank you.
Yes, Karthik is here. Karthik, 1 minute 10 seconds, please.
Yeah.
Excited, Karthik, for the vlog?
Yeah, very excited, yeah. I mean, it's the first time to it.
लेकिन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए ग्लैमरस दिखना या स्टाइलिश दिखना या फिर फैशनेबल दिखना?
आई थिंक इम्पॉर्टेंट तो बस आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है. जितना आप कौन से कपड़े में आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो, कितने आप नेचुरली फिट इन कर रहे हो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फैशन, इट्स जस्ट अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस. सो आई थिंक अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो तो आप कोई भी कपड़े पे अच्छे लगते हो.
Any Holi plans do you have, Karthik?
Any what?
Holi plans?
होली प्लान्स. होली प्लान्स अभी तक तो नहीं बनाए, लेकिन आई एम श्योरली गोना प्ले होली दिस टाइम. एंड आई थिंक सेट पे ही होने वाला है प्यार का पंचनामा के होली. So let's see. A very happy Holi to all of you, all the fans here. And सबको रंग लगाइए, खुद को भी रंग लगाइए और खूब जम के होली के लिए. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing a dress from Iconic and jewelry from Neha Lula.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous at the end or be stylish at the end of the day?
How important it is? Well, I truly believe that if you want to, we all have the different kind of interests in, and also we all have the different opinion in what we feel is glamorous or, stylish and all. So, I mean, I feel it all depends on yourself, how much into it you want to be or not, So, I don't think it's very much important in your life. It's just something, I think, in the kind of industry we are in, it's something that we naturally tend to like, we like to dress up and, go the red carpets. And
chance to pick one or choose one out of two, one being stylish and second being glamorous, what would you personally?
Sorry, if
you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be being stylish or second being glamorous, what would you personally?
I think that will be glamorous.
Why?
Because I like being glamorous. As simple as that.
But if we change the criteria, saying that being comfortable or being trendy, what would you do?
To be honest, I would actually say being comfortable. The reason is also because I don't consider myself that I'm very good in, in fashion or all like that. I really admire people or like, you have like Sonam Kapoor. She's so amazing. She's so good. She really knows, what to pick and what to combine. But I myself, I'm not that very good in it. So I think that's why I'm more like a, comfy kind of girl. But of course, I love it, if someone dresses me up and styles me and, make me look glamorous,
How is the shoot at Gujarat week with Abbas Mastan couple and all? Praising God.
We were in Rajasthan and it was so beautiful there. Actually, I'm so happy that I finally got to go to Rajasthan. And we had a great time and so it was great.
Holy plans do you have this year?
Sorry?
Holy plans?
Holy plans, yes, I'm gonna perform on Live OK, so don't miss me there.
Only the wishes here for the viewers.
Sorry?
Only wishes for the viewers.
I wish you all a happy Holi.
Thank you so much, Alice.
Thank you.
Well guys, just 1 second. Oh yeah.
Hi.
So what? So कली किसके पास?
So it's quite home for me.
Just because they are like in depth of that.
I'm very thankful to the audience. Been made right from Saigal साहब to दिलीप है यार, ऋतिक है, सलमान है, शाहरुख है. Make it safe this year.
So excited for the evening tonight, post your films are presenting Glamour and Style Awards this year.
Yeah, I am. How am I looking?
So outstanding, there's no doubt in it.
Outstanding.
Handsome as always, sir.
Thank you.
Lekin how important is for a person to be glamorous or stylish at the end of the day?
Well, it's important for a person to be stylish. You want to look good. When you walk into a room, you want everyone to look at you and you feel good. It's confidence, boosts your ego a bit. So it's important to be stylish and to look good.
So not ego, that is a personality that a person can boost confidence, that is an internal beauty. So what about the external beauty that will be presenting through the clothes or
Well,
communication?
you gotta marry the two. You gotta be confident about yourself and wear clothes that look good on you, which is very important because ultimately people are going to see you with your clothes on.
So Bollywood में
To start with.
So Bollywood में आपको सबसे स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है या फिर फैशनेबल कौन लगता है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस को लेकर?
बॉलीवुड में मेरे ख्याल से सैफ अली खान बहुत स्टाइलिश है. He's got that whole Nawabi style, so the way he carries himself and the clothes he wears is very stylish.
And actress, sir?
I like Deepika actually. वैसे तो बहुत खूबसूरत है और जिस तरह जब वो बाहर जाती है फंक्शन इवेंट्स के लिए, she styles herself really well.
So, but I've been repeatedly asking this question to you again and again, sir. Your fans have been honestly eagerly waiting for you to come on closer.
I'm also waiting for myself to come. I'm looking to do any good films actually. काफ़ी लोगों ने सोचा कि यार मैं प्रोड्यूसर बन गया तो इसलिए एक्टिंग छोड़ दिया, मगर वो तो वाकई सच नहीं है. असलियत तो ये है, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर सम गुड मूवीज. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. एक्टिंग वैसे मेरा जो पैशन है तो इसके पीछे भी उस पर ध्यान दे रहा हूँ एंड होप समथिंग गुड हैपेंस. हाँ जी, मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ दोस्तों के साथ. नहीं, मुंबई में नहीं हूँ मगर बाहर जा रहा हूँ. Hi viewers, wish you all a very happy Holi. This is Dino Moreira. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. अच्छा.
I'm wearing Hema Call.
Aditi, how important is for a person to be stylish and fashionable and glamorous at the end of the day?
You also bother about your style, na? So we don't have to. We don't have a choice.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally?
I think if you're stylish, you'd just naturally be glamorous as well. And glamorous is a very misused word. People think you thopo makeup, you wear like blingy clothes and then you're glamorous. You can wear the simplest clothes and be very glamorous even in
Make it
those.
more, to change the criteria and saying that you're being trendy or being comfortable. Personally,
I think if you're comfortable and you enjoy what you wear, you'll be trendy. Isn't everyone saying that?
बॉलीवुड में से आपको कौन ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस लगता है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
Actors or actresses में से? Actresses में से I think Deepika Padukone dresses really well, Kangana dresses really well, Sonam of course dresses really well. Actors में से I think Farhan Akhtar is really cool. I think Saqib is a really good dresser.
you also been dressed very well on the award function.
Thank you.
Whatever it is.
Thank you.
What about the day before yesterday for musical award function?
Yeah, you were there. It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was great fun.
When are you going to see you performing on stage, saying that you've been ventured with some function?
You know, actually this year I've been shooting and I've been out. I missed Sari award functions I've missed. So that this is why I'm like, I said this I have to be here at least for this.
You're working hard for shooting that.
Yeah.
For that also been working with venture and with
I've been working on Guddu Rangila, Wazir, various films. You know what they are.
perfect. Anything that wishes for the viewers for?
I'd like to wish you all a very happy Holi because Holi is coming up soon.
There on the mark, please.
I'm Oli.
Dana has always been looking beautiful tonight. What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Yeah. Roberto Cavalli.
How important is for a person to be stylish, fashionable, or being glamorous at the end of the event, being presenting from the event function or a fixed venue?
I think it's important to be stylish and fun because I think आजकल तो वैसे भी अभी I think लोग ज़्यादा स्टाइल और फैशन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट ही कर रहे हैं. But it's nice, but I think it lies in the attitude more than anything else.
But personally, what do you prefer, being stylish or being glamorous at the end of the movie?
Well, I love being glamorous, and I'm here tonight because I am glamorous. इसलिए वो लोग मुझे glamorous का award दे रहे हैं. मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब लोग बोलते हैं कि glamorous है. I think it's a compliment.
But the tabloids and the broadsheets printing reports all about saying that ये उड़ता पंजाब में ये आ गया, वो आ गया. You also would be clarifying it much way better than anyone else can do it. So tell us something about faction talks about that. What is it?
Well, actually मैंने कभी किसी चीज़ पे को clarify या justify करने की कोशिश नहीं की और आज भी मैं नहीं करूँगी. और ये मौका स्टाइल और फैशन के बारे में है तो हम उसके बारे में बात
करें. How do you deal with the situation where rumors have been printed saying it's factual information at the end?
No, I don't. 15 साल से इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ. फिल्म फैमिली में जन्म लिया है. I know how to deal with it.
How much do you think the image and the sense of style of it has changed from time and from movies and films?
Well, I think it's important to be stylish and classic and elegant. Styling will never go out of fashion.
Any changes? कोई changes ऐसा जिससे आप बहुत लोग काफी टाइम से इंडस्ट्री चल रही है. कोई changes कोई स्टाइल अभी आ चुकी है ट्रेंड में और आप उससे
एक्चुअली पता नहीं क्योंकि मैं किसी ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ. एंड आई थिंक इट्स नाइस टू जस्ट wear something that is comfortable, what you kind of feel happy in. I think that is very stylish.
बॉलीवुड में से आप किसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानती है एक्टर और लास्ट क्वेश्चन?
बहुत सारे हैं और आजकल सब अपने स्टाइल और फैशन पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं.
How is बजरंगी भाईजान shaping up because there was selfies out saying that कि हम दिल्ली में शूट कर रहे थे, you were shooting in NBC, you were shooting all across India. How was it? Gondal also you will be shooting in Gujarat.
Yes, we are looking forward to going to Kashmir. हम लोग अगले महीने कश्मीर जा रहे हैं शूट के लिए. पिक्चर ईद पे लग रही है. सलमान के साथ बॉडीगार्ड के बाद आ रही हूँ तो आई थिंक अपने फैंस वैसे भी बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिग वन.
We have the camera zoom. We have the camera zoom. Start with the video. Ajay, Raja, please. I'm very
So excited for the function tonight, being glamorous and stylish?
Well, I'm really glad that Filmfare came up with this event because it is really great to celebrate this kind of it is as important as movies.
But you've been the queen icon or stylish icon and he's next to you.
She's the best, isn't she?
Come on.
But how important for a person to be stylish or glamorous at the end of the day when he's presenting in front of?
Well, I think feeling good, feeling beautiful is truly beautiful. So I think style is also very subjective. But you know what? After all the film awards, it's really nice that they're having a glamour and style awards. It feels refreshing. So I think tonight is going to be a fun night.
Shridevi, what do you rather personally prefer, saying that if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one being glamorous, second being stylish, what would you personally?
Well, both is very important.
But
for me, fashion is like being comfortable and confident.
Shridevi, how much do you think that Indian women and sense of style has changed from film and from time?
What I didn't.
I think she is the epitome of Indian beauty and Indian woman, because I think an Indian woman looks good in Western clothes, in Indian clothes, carries everything in style.
And sense of style has changed.
It's definitely more evolved, and I think today's women look beautiful.
Thanks to them.
No, nothing like that. I mean, they are just so evolved.
Because Travelers and Broadsheet have been printing saying that they will be soon, Janhvi will be debuting with you in a movie. Is it?
Janhvi? अजय
Hi.
Beautiful tonight.
I do thank you. You're so kind. Thank you. So, Gauri Nanika and Dior Accessories.
But how important for a person to be stylish and fashionable and glamorous at the end of the day?
You know what? That was really scary. I didn't know that it was that important until these last couple of years. I've discovered that it is important, and I'm kind of liking it. It's fun. I think not only is it important, but it's fun. You know.
But your Bollywood fans are eagerly waiting to know that what's next, what have been mentioned with.
Yes, some things next. A few things are next, but they have to wait till the end of the year. Good things come to those who wait, right? I think so.
Yeah.
Olga. Oh yeah, happy Holi everyone. I hope I'm gonna get to participate. So have a great, happy Holi and a safe Holi. Okay, thanks, bye. Oh, that is such a sexy picture. Look at it. I do. I wish they would like lift me up and hold me. Yeah, that's true. I haven't seen you in
Very excited. It's, I think, the first for Filmfare, and I think honoring glamour and style is a wonderful idea. And we're really excited to be here at the first event that Filmfare has done in the zone of fashion.
But the fire that you ignited in India, in the fans' hearts and brains, that is not going to freeze out that soon.
I'm here for Filmfare. I'm not here to comment on anything else. No, I'm really sorry. I'm purely here for Filmfare, and I'm here for the night of glamour, and I don't want to talk about it.
Let's talk about glamour. How important for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, it's a really big part of our job. It's what, like, not me per se, I'm a filmmaker. It's a really big prerequisite for the talent in the country, for actors, actresses, and I think it's for them to look good is a big part of their job, and I'm glad that there's a platform to honor it tonight.
But who, according to you, is the most stylish and glamorous actor and actress in Bollywood?
Well, undoubtedly, Mr. Bachchan for me will be the epitome and king of glamour, always. I think Sonam is amazing, and she's a trendsetter and has quite started red carpet fashion in this country.
So when are you going to come and meet him and saying that you'll be speaking about things that have gone viral on social media?
Sorry?
When are you going to find the time that you'll be speaking about videos that have gone viral on social media?
Well, when there's a right time for everything.
Sure, sir.
Yes, thank you. Well, hi, this is me, Karan Johar, wishing everyone a really happy Holi. Keep the color as bright as it should be.
Hi.
Hello. Excited for the evening tonight?
Very excited.
But how important for a person to be stylish and fashionable?
I think it's very important to be comfortable with whatever you wear, and I think style is something which is very personal. I think you shouldn't run behind any sort of trends. But yeah, it's always good to look nice. It's always good when people look at you. So.
Anything else you like to share with the viewers and fans, because your fans have been eagerly waiting to get yourself ventured in the next Bollywood film?
Oh yes, pretty soon. Lots of exciting things happening. So yeah, lots of exciting announcements very soon. Oh yes, hi, this is Diksha Seth wishing all of you a very, very rangeen Holi. Have lots of fun. Don't have too much bhang, and enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Is she excited for the event?
Yeah. Very excited. First time I'm attending this event.
So, how important for a person to be glamorous and stylish and fashionable at the end of the day?
It's not like the end of the world, but it's nice to have a sense of style, and I think your sense of style defines you. And some people have it naturally, some people cultivate it, and it's nice.
So many artists are saying that Heather will be all across everywhere. So what's next after Heather? People are just want to know that.
Well, I'm doing a film called Drishyam with Ajay Devgan, and another untitled film. So 2 films this year. Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy and safe Holi.
Hi. Very, very excited. I'm really looking forward to it. That's why, you know, such a long queue. I'm sorry? Well, I think it's very, very important, and I think, you know, we live in a country which is very, very, you know, fashion conscious. So I think it's very important. For me, it is. Yes.
Back to the show very soon. Any Holi plans this year?
I don't think I'm in the country. I'm going to miss it, but I love Holi. So I wish everyone a very, very happy Holi. And guys, be safe and have a very happy Holi. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing Isabel Sanchez. And Anmol Jewelers.
But the fire that have enlightened all across India saying that Alia turned out very intelligent. How is it and what is it?
हाँ.
Alia turned out to be very intelligent nowadays.
हाँ, वो लोग कह रहे हैं मैं मना नहीं करती हूँ. What should I say?
Right. But Alia, you might be knowing that people are just want to know what happened to the viral video that you've been circulated everywhere on social media.
Which viral videos? Are we talking about glamour today? We're talking about viral videos. You've not asked me one question about glamour.
But how do you deal with the situation where news have been printing saying that you have an affair with the co-star or the person?
I deal with them like how everybody deals with them, by staying silent.
आलिया आपके लिए स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन मेरे लिए आई थिंक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कंफर्टेबल होना. अगर आप कुछ ज़्यादा कोशिश करते हो तो वो स्टाइल और ग्लैमर मिस हो जाता है. सो फॉर मी इट्स अबाउट बीइंग कंफर्टेबल ऑफ कोर्स टेकिंग सम रिस्क्स एट टाइम्स. आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली जिसकी वजह से ये सब शुरू हुआ है मैं मानती हूँ इस सोनम. ग्लैमर और रेड कार्पेट का स्टाइल आई थिंक उसने ही रीडिफाइन किया है. सो दैट समबडी सोनम इज समबडी आई रियली लुक अप टू. और एक्टर आई थिंक मिस्टर बच्चन ड्रेसेस वेरी वेरी वेल.
तो उड़ीसा पंजाब के लिए कब शुरू करना स्टार्ट करें?
अभी मार्च में शुरू करो.
थैंक यू.
विशिंग यू ऑल द व्यूअर्स वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली. प्लीज़ बी सेफ, मज़े कीजिए, बट प्लीज़ लोगों को हार्म मत कीजिए.
थैंक यू.
अच्छा, they want to take some candid shots here. ये नया चालू हो गया ना एकदम रेड कार्पेट में. थैंक यू थैंक यू.
Yeah, this is the mark. Yes, hello, how are you?
How are you?
All good?
Good.
Excited for the evening tonight, glamour and fashion?
Yes, very excited.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous, stylish, and fashionable at the end of the day?
I think it's a very, very important part of being in the entertainment industry.
I think it's a must.
Yes, you have to be glamorous.
Then if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be trendy, second would be comfortable, what would you personally prefer?
Be trendy or be comfortable?
Yeah.
Be trendy.
You are always that though.
Yeah.
So
be trendy for sure.
Glamour and style. What is your definition to glamour and style?
I think that it is a direct reflection of who you are and what you stand for, and I think
And how you want people to view you.
exactly. And we're in the entertainment industry, and you should be glamorous and beautiful and dressed up and feel great every single day.
But Sunny, let me inform you saying that you've been giving very tough competition to Bollywood actors here in present. India for the moment. Next would be Ek Paheli Leela. Tell something about that, please.
Well, today we just had the release of our second song, Tere Bin. So it's one of my favorite songs of the movie. I'm waiting for the female version to come out. I hope people love the movie. We have a song every single week until the release of this movie.
But apart from being sarcastic or diplomatic, we need a factual answer out of you saying that you only find competition in Bollywood in the actress is concerned.
We don't think of it like that. You know what?
Honestly, I don't see
Plenty of room for everybody.
Yeah, competition. I think that if anything, I would be my own biggest competitor because I always want to do better. The next time that I'm out, or the next movie, or the next song, whatever it is. So I think I would be my biggest competition.
But how do you find a fashionable or trendy when Bollywood actor or actress is concerned?
I think Kangana's pretty fashion forward. I think Priyanka is always very fashion forward. She's always in great shape, so whatever she's wearing, it looks always amazing.
An actor?
An actor? That's a difficult one.
I would probably say Ranveer.
Ranveer.
And sometimes Hrithik.
I was going to say Hrithik.
Yeah, Hrithik. Yeah.
When he dresses up, he
When he
looks
dresses
really
up, he
good.
looks good. Yeah.
Perfect, a very good one. Any holy plans this year?
We are going to be celebrating with Zoom this year, Zoom Holy Party.
Yes.
Thank you. Only the wishes here for the view.
To all the viewers out there, happy Holi, be safe, play with colors or play with water instead of colors this year.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
You're welcome.
We are next. You're on the mark.
That mark?
This is
This one. Perfect.
yeah. Excited for the evening tonight, being fashionable, trendy, and glamorous.
Hi, good evening. I'm very excited to be over here. It's also Filmfare and Rock's first night together for celebrating style and glamour. So yes, extremely excited. And
how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish at the end of the day when it's presenting him or herself at the function?
I think that's pretty much the name of this show right now. So it's extreme for tonight. It's extremely important to be our glamorous and our stylish best.
From Bollywood, which actor do you find be like most fashionable, or an actress? Like to name some?
I think Hrithik Roshan is extremely fashionable and sexy. Even Akshay Kumar actually is quite fashionable.
An actress?
Actress, I think Deepika Padukone and Kangna Ranaut is extremely good.
Any holy plans do you have this year?
This year will be a quiet Holi since I lost my grandmother, so I shall be not celebrating this year.
Line of project would you like to speak about?
Well, actually the next project that I have lined up is Anjita Productions, Hasmukh Pighal Gaya. So just let's hope and pray for him. And yes, looking forward. Thank you. Well, I hope all of you have a very stylish and a very happy year. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello, how are you?
Very well. Hello, Rolly guys. Excited for the evening to be fashionable,
Oh yes.
and glamorous.
Yeah, very, very excited. This is the first time Filmfare is doing the Style Awards. And of course, we know who the style icon is, but yeah, looking forward to a great evening. I think Kangna and Sonam are at par. I think they're stunning and they dress really well. They carry themselves really well. Yeah, for me, both them.
Speak about actors then.
Sorry?
Actors?
Saif Ali Khan, I think he dresses really well, very suave. Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor, I think they're all fantastic.
Personally, if you get a chance to choose one or pick one out of the one, would you be glamorous or being stylish? What would you personally do?
I would say stylish.
Why?
I think once you're stylish, you'll be glam any which ways.
But your fans also be desperately and eagerly waiting for you to come on to say that, what's next? So tell us something about that.
I have Shandar coming up this year. It's on 4th or 5th of September, I guess. And then I have another thriller that I'll start shooting in April sometime.
So, how's the experience working with your co-star Shahid or Alia, if you want to know?
Oh, it's been fantastic. It's a great team, all youngsters on the set, and we had a blast for 2 months in UK. And yeah, just had a wonderful experience.
Any holy plans you have this year?
Any holy plans? No, nothing as of now.
Only the wishes for this.
Hello everybody, this is Anjana Sukhani wishing everyone a very, very happy Holi. Enjoy.
All right. Wait.
Thank you. Come straight. Hi.
Hello,
How are you?
Whoever has spoken has only spoken for Sonam and Kangna being most stylish and glamorous actors in Bollywood. Do you agree with it?
I think that's very complimentary, and I think everybody's beautiful and dresses very beautifully.
But what tips would you like to share with the fans and viewers you have it at the moment? And how do they presenting themselves?
It's important to be yourself and express yourself through your clothes.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one out of one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. What would you personally prefer?
I would be what?
One would be glamorous, second would be stylish. What would you personally
Stylish.
Why?
Because style is inherent, glamour can be created.
सोनम, बॉलीवुड में से किसे आप स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानते हैं, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
आई थिंक सबकी इंडिविजुअल एक वॉइस है और सब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगते हैं.
Sonam, after your Tolly people are secretly meeting, what's next? What is Sonam gonna do? So tell us something about that.
I'm doing this film called Prem Ratan Dhan Payo with Salman Khan and Suraj Barjatia. And the other two films that I've signed, I'm not at liberty to speak about.
So how's your experience working with Salman in
Gondar? Yeah, amazing. He's an amazing. Hi.
Sorry.
It's amazing. It's amazing working.
Only time you want this?
I'm working.
Only the message.
Very happy Holi to everybody.
Thank you.
One second. हो गया?
तू लेना.
कोई सवाल जवाब है तो पूछ लो.
Yeah, second one. Thank you.
के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, ग्लैमरस एंड स्टाइलिश?
बहुत अच्छी रात है. हम सब तैयार होके आए हैं, नहा धो के आए हैं, जेल वेल लगाया बालों में, एंड वी एक्सपेक्टिंग अ गुड नाइट.
अच्छा, आपके लिए ग्लैमर और स्टाइल की डेफिनेशन क्या है और किस तरह से आप ड्रेसअप करते हैं और कौन सी स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करते हैं?
आई डोंट थिंक कोई किसी भी स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करता है. सब अपना एक पर्सनल स्टाइल बनाते हैं और वही मैं भी करता हूँ यार. आई ट्राई एंड ड्रेस अप एज पर माई एज, एज हाउ आई लुक. That's it, yeah. Just keep it simple, be comfortable in what you're doing. I think that's style.
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड में अगर आपको कहा जाए कि सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस कौन है, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस, तो
I think Kareena Kapoor is very stylish and Shah Rukh Khan.
और आखिर में जानना चाहूँगा आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में.
I'm doing the official remake of Oculus with me and Huma doing that film together. Then we are working on the sequel of मेरे डैड की मानो.
अभी होली आने वाली है तो कुछ प्लान है आपके?
मैं जा रहा हूँ छुट्टी पे अपने मॉम डैड हुमा के साथ, तो जब जाऊँगा तो होली निकल जाएगी पीछे से. Okay, everybody watching, wish you a very, very, very happy and prosperous Holi. Thank you.
So you're on the mark, sir, please. So one mic, please, quickly, sir. So passion, style, glamour, sir, everything in one, sir. How excited are you for the evening, sir?
जाएंगे तो पता चलेगा.
सर, लेकिन जिसने भी कहा सबसे फैशनेबल एक्टर बॉलीवुड में कोई भी हो या इंडियन सिनेमा में हो, इट्स अमिताभ बच्चन. सर, डू यू एग्री?
बहुत बड़ा झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
But who according to you is?
ऐसा नहीं कैमरा कम है, कैमरा बुलाई नहीं है, इसमें ट्रांसफर करना है ना.
फिल्म फेयर नाइट है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे ग्लैमर और स्टाइलिश?
पता नहीं क्या बोलूँ. स्टाइल इज समथिंग यू कांट वेयर इन द मॉर्निंग. सब अपना अपना एटीट्यूड लाते हैं, उसी के बारे में पूरा अवार्ड शो. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड फंक्शन.
अच्छा, आपके लिए स्टाइल और ग्लैमर की डेफिनेशन क्या है और कैसे फॉलो करते हैं, कौन सा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट फॉलो करते हैं?
आई थिंक हम लोग एज एक्टर्स, हम लोग का स्टेटमेंट होता है हर फ्राइडे बदलता है. हमारी फिल्म हमारा स्टेटमेंट है, एंड आई थिंक जिस शिद्दत से हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, एंड यू नो दैट्स माई स्टाइल, माई नेक्स्ट फिल्म.
बॉलीवुड एक्टर में से किसे स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस मानते हैं, एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस?
I think Sridevi, you know, she's Lajawab, and Madhuri, because I've just and guys I don't know. Rajesh Khanna.
होली आने वाली है, कोई स्पेशल प्लान है आपके?
Just don't stalk people around with dholaks in your hand. Play Holi, have fun. Wishing you guys a very very happy Holi. Play a safe Holi. ज़्यादा पक्के रंग मत यूज़ करिएगा, लोगों को हार्म कर सकते हैं, लड़कियों को मत छेड़िएगा. Just have fun. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
हार्दिक ले लेना. यस. थोड़ा उधर लुक नीचे है.
माधुरी, सबसे पहले तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे हो.
थैंक यू.
और इस क्लोथ के बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे, किसने डिज़ाइन किया?
कार्मन मार्क वाल्वो इज़ अमेरिकन डिज़ाइनर, तो उनका गाउन है.
अच्छा, आज की नाइट के लिए कितना एक्साइटेड हो? ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल.
या इज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि ग्लैमर और स्टाइल ये पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री है. आप फिल्मों में काम करो या म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री में हो, दैट्स ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ हु यू आर. और बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री आर गोइंग टू बी हियर, तो मज़ा आएगा.
अच्छा, अगर एक चीज़ चुनने के लिए कहा जाए ग्लैमर और स्टाइल, तो आप क्या चुनना पसंद करेंगे और क्यों?
वेल, दोनों ही बहुत अहम होते हैं. उसके साथ साथ टैलेंट भी होना चाहिए, एक्टिंग भी होना चाहिए, सब कुछ. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर.
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड में कोई अभिनेता और अभिनेत्री जो आपको स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमरस लगते हैं?
रेखा जी हैं जो बहुत ग्लैमरस है. शी इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश. न्यूकमर्स में there's Sonam Kapoor, who is carries herself beautifully. Priyanka Chopra, who does the same. Actor में there is Ranbir Kapoor, there is Ayushmann, who is very good.
अच्छा, आखिरी सवाल जानना चाहेंगे, होली आने वाली है, कुछ प्लान है आपके और
वेल, फिलहाल तो कुछ नहीं. आई एम जस्ट हियर टू एंजॉय दिस.
I'm wearing today Mark and thank you so much.
इसका बाइक इधर कर.
एक सेकंड रुकेंगे क्या? एक सेकंड.
Excited for this evening, looking stunning.
Thank you. Well, I'm wearing Amit Agarwal tonight, and well, what can I say? I just tried this dress on; it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect.
Okay, glamour and style. What do you prefer in your personal life?
I think glamour and style for me is just a little extension of your own personality, your own individuality. So it's a little extension of who you are. You know, whatever you wear, you carry it off as just as glamorously and sexily and stylishly, and that's about it.
According to you, in Bollywood, who is the best personality in terms of glamour and style? Yeah. Do you prefer both?
Actor and actress. Oh boy. I think Kareena. I think Kareena's got this beautiful presence about her, you know. Well, she's an. Oh, you mean male actors? Okay. Maybe Hrithik.
Why Hrithik?
I don't know. There's so many. Of course, I haven't paid. Honestly, I don't pay a lot of attention to the male actors. I mean, the women seem to be the most stylish ones, so you know.
अच्छा अगर आपको कहा जाए कि स्टाइल और ग्लैमर में से कोई एक चीज़ चुनिए तो आप कौन सी चुनेंगे?
I think style. I think style is more individual. You know, सबकी style अलग होती है. It's like I said, it's just extension of your own personality. So I think style. Glamour sort of comes with whatever you're wearing.
अच्छा फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं तो फिल्म कौन सी आने वाली है आपकी कुछ पाइपलाइन में?
Right now, in fact, no. I'm taking a little bit of a break. I want to try something different. You know, I mean, 4 film हो गई है तो deciding what to do just yet.
अच्छा होली आने वाली है तो क्या कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं आपके?
I've never actually played Holi, you know, so maybe this time will be a first, I don't know. Most of the time though I stay inside. बहुत डर लगता है, इतना color and all of that they do is a bit scary.
Any wishes for viewers?
Well, yes, of course. Everyone, I hope you have a happy Holi, a safe Holi, be safe. Play with, you know, safe colors, organic colors, is that what you call it? But safe colors, just be safe and play healthily, you know, don't get in anyone's way. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अवार्ड के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Well, I think पहली बार है जब.
Can I just congratulate her?
Oh, thank you.
How are you doing?
All well.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I think अच्छा लगता है जब when you're always given an award, but I think ये award बहुत ही special है क्योंकि पहली बार फिल्म फेयर स्टाइल और ग्लैमर अवार्ड्स कर रहे हैं. पहले जब फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जीता था, and for the first time this is style and glamour, so I'm really happy. Thank you.
Already started.
Already started?
Good. So how excited are you for glamour, fashion, style, all together for Times Film Fair Award?
Very excited because I think all girls get excited when it comes to fashion and glamour, so I'm like every other girl.
But apart from this, how important for this person to get themselves stylish or present in front of people or being glamorous at the end of the day?
I think it's just important to have a lot of confidence in yourself and also to believe in yourself, and I think it's well to have fun, you know.
Exactly, that would be considered the internal personality of a human body, but what about the external one? How would you present that?
How would I present that? My external?
Apart from you, not personally, generally.
I think you just have to be yourself. That's the most important thing, and you just have to let your personality shine. That's very important.
तो बॉलीवुड में आप किसे सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और फैशनेबल मानते हैं?
You know what I'm gonna say. Sonam. Glamour and style. I think style comes from within, and glamour comes as a package. Yeah.
Thank you.
Brothers. Yeah, thank you.
Two questions.
I'm wearing Rajat के टांगरी gown.
अच्छा आज के लिए कितना एक्साइटेड हो आज की नाइट के लिए ग्लैमर और स्टाइल की नाइट है क्या कहना चाहेंगे कितने एक्साइटेड है?
Well, I'm really excited because as we all know for past 60 years Filmfare has been honoring the actor and actresses or the like superstars for their excellence in acting. But I feel stardom has an actor has more than that. More than the superlative acting abilities. It has a lot of, they have a lot of style, they have a lot of glamour, and they have a lot of, what do we call, aura. So that is something I think, and that is why we are here for the Siroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards to celebrate the glamour. Well, it is. I think for me, it's both terms are quite similar. Style is something which is we have internally. Like everybody has their own style. Like Amitabh Bachchan, if you take his name, he has his own style. And if you take Madhuri Dixit, she has her own style. So they all the actors, they have their something very, very different about themselves. So that is what I feel, that Filmfare Style and Glamour and Style Awards is all about celebrating glamour, celebrating the aura, the style.
If you want to choose between glamour and style, what would you?
I think style, because style is something very personal. Each and every individual, each and every actor has his own style. So I think style is more important, and every person should have his or her personal style.
Do you think that women and sense of style of women has changed from films and from time to time? How?
Well, you know what? As we all know, the shape of the earth is round.
Yeah.
So even the circulation keeps on happening. As you can see, my look today is inspired by Audrey Hepburn. So it is something like style is something which keeps on revolving all the time, and it's something like that. It keeps on revolving. It's something which keeps on coming all the time, again and again.
What's your upcoming project?
Okay, I signed 3-movie deal with T-Series. So my first film is a Hindi passionate love story, which the name was Sanam Re, which is directed by Divya Khosla Kumar. And I'm also shooting for one more film, which is with Tips. Kumar Taurani is producing it. And I'm also shooting for my South Indian film, which is my South debut, opposite South superstar Darshan, to Rudeep.
Okay, this time, are you celebrating Holi festivals?
For sure, I always celebrate all the festivals.
Any wishes for viewers?
Yeah, okay. To all the viewers out here, I would like to wish you a very happy and prosperous Holi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
By the way, my
along is Rajat K. Chandri.
How was your excited to like meet now?
कैसा अंदर आप जाके आए कैसा माहौल था अंदर का कितना मजा किया
काफ़ी फॉर्मल माहौल था, ब्लैक टाई इवेंट था और मज़े आए, बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिले, ऑल वेल डिजर्व्ड एंड ऑलवेज गुड टू बी एट अ स्टाइल फंक्शन बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद देयर लुक्स, सो गुड फन।
आपके ड्रेस की बात करें तो काफ़ी खूबसूरत लग रहा है ड्रेस, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहते
Has he come now? Have you come now? I also came 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna go. You can get him now. I'm gonna go. See you.
अरे मैं लेट आया।
हेलो हेलो।
सबसे पहले तो अंदर जाके आए हो, कैसा माहौल है अंदर का?
It's great to see everybody. It was fabulous to see Mr. Bachchan after a long time. And of course, Aki and UV and everybody else. It was nice.
How important is for a person to be fashionable, stylish and glamorous at the end of the day when he's presenting himself or herself in front of someone?
Well, it's important to be fashionable and stylish, but I think you wear the style should not wear you. And as long as you're comfortable and it eventually defines who you are, and it's great whatever you wear.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one or two, one would be fashionable or stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylish.
And why?
Because style is an attitude. But fashion is more related to clothes. Style is, I don't know, sometimes you can be wearing simple jeans and a white t-shirt or something very simple. But that style that you have within you inherent is something completely different to having clothes to make you feel better or look better, if that makes sense.
But personally, on behalf of media, I would like to thank you for one thing that you have been very media friendly nowadays.
Am I?
Yeah, no doubt in it.
Really?
It's very difficult to find you. Street was very.
That's because I've been traveling, but now I'm back. I'm back in India, so I'm going to be here.
I'm so sorry you interrupted there. That you have been quoted from the social media or the media. What would you like to clarify on the point?
I don't like to clarify anything. I'm very happy.
Ajay,
Hi. Rolling guy. Jay, कितने excited to walk the carpet for Filmfare?
It feels really great. Filmfare is something जो जब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, the biggest pride of having is walking the red carpet of Filmfare. So I feel really great and honored that I've got a chance to walk this red carpet right now.
लेकिन glamour और style कितना important है for a person?
Glamour and style, it is something which is very important. मैं glamour and style को सिर्फ इसमें नहीं कहता हूँ कि classy होना चाहिए. I think it should be a little massy also because your audience is all massy. आप अपने audience के लिए करते हैं. So right now I feel a little classy because I'm wearing a costume right now. So I'm really happy and ज़रूरी है कि हमेशा according to the occasion you need to keep dressing up.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one is glamour, second would be stylish, what would you rather prefer personally?
Stylish.
So why?
stylish because sometimes glamour आप glamorous कपड़े कभी पहन के you don't feel that comfortable wearing it. You won't be that comfortable because this is something you don't wear it regularly. And for me, I like to be a little stylish because जितने आप comfortable हो जो आप पहन रहे हैं, that is much more I can walk with a lot of confidence rather than with a lot of glamour.
So but what if it gets off trendy, but it's not with the trend, but you are trying to be comfortable at the end of the day? So what would rather?
For me it's all about being comfortable. If right now bell bottoms में अगर समझो मैं comfortable feel कर रहा हूँ, I would rather wear that rather than wearing something which I'm not happy with. So मैं believe करता हूँ कि you need to style according to your own happiness. You should style for happiness. हाँ.
बॉलीवुड में से आप किसे ग्लैमर और स्टाइलिश मानते हैं? एक्ट्रेस और एक्टर?
For me, I think Salman Khan is the most stylish and glamorous person. He is massy, he is classy. He comes in both. So Salman Khan and Deepika Padukone. She's quite classy, and sometimes if she wants to be in in that massy zone too, she does it
but now
quite well.
It's like Ek Paheli Leela.
Yeah.
But after television now you have explored yourself very well in Bollywood also. So how excited are you to working with Sunny Leone and उसके बाद जो
Well, I'm very excited. First of all, this is my second film with T-Series, so it feels really great that आज ही मेरा एक और गाना release हुआ है in YouTube and getting some great response. That's with Sunny. I'm singing a romantic song for her, so I'm really happy that T-Series के साथ मेरी दूसरी film and plus doing a film with Sunny is सोने पे सुहागा. So I'm very happy with that.
लेकिन मजा किसमें ज़्यादा आता है, television और movies?
मूवीज़ में ज़्यादा आता है बिकॉज दैट इज़ दैट एम जो हमेशा आप जब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं योर एम इज़ लाइक दैट यू वुड वांट टू बी अ बॉलीवुड एक्टर. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट अ चांस टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ एंड लेट्स सी अब 10th अप्रैल को रिलीज़ हो रही है हाउ इट वर्क्स फॉर मी.
Lastly, only the Holi wishes for the viewers and your plans for Holi.
Well, सारे व्यूअर्स को मैं जय भानुशाली हैप्पी होली विश करना चाहूँगा. हैव अ सेफ एंड प्लीज़ वो ऑयल कलर्स के साथ मत खेलना. गो लिटिल ऑर्गेनिक एंड नेचुरल, यूज नेचुरल कलर्स. थैंक यू. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, I don't think it's important, but I think if you do it with a whole lot of fun, it adds to the fun. We luckily live in Bombay, which is a little casual city, so it's nice to have these events once in a while where you get to feel like a princess. You shouldn't be too obsessed or vain about it. Once in a while, it's really nice to dress up.
Excited for the evening? First of all, let me tell you, looking beautiful.
Thank you. I'm wearing a Shane and Falguni peacock, so I feel like a princess tonight. And like I say to every girl, you don't have to have a prince to feel like a princess.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. What would another person prefer?
Wow, I like to be stylish.
Why?
I like to be in style, wear the coolest thing. Glamour has a little vanity attached to it. Sometimes style could be just a nice Levi's jeans and a white t-shirt. Yeah.
What are your holy plans this year?
My holy plans is to go home back to Delhi where my parents stay and eat tons of gujia and namak pare, and that's my plan.
Lastly, only the wishes for the viewers. Wishes for Holi.
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Rashmi Nigam and I wish you all a very happy Holi. Keep it safe and let it be really colorful.
Thank you so much. I'm wearing Christy Dacuna and Outhouse earrings and a Judith Lieber clutch.
And somewhere there, on your head, there's some flowers.
Those are my own.
Oh. But how important for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
How? I'm sorry?
Glamorous and stylish. How important for a person?
I don't know if it's important. If you enjoy it, then it's fun. But no one should force themselves to be anything that they're not.
But if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. What would you rather?
I would choose to be timeless.
Why?
Because it's timeless.
Perfect. So excited for the evening tonight?
Very excited. Really looking forward.
श्रुति अगर बात करें बॉलीवुड की तो बॉलीवुड में आप किसे ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस और स्टाइलिश मानते हैं?
आई थिंक सारी हीरोइंस जो हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं, तो इट्स अनफेयर कि मैं एक का नाम चुनूँ. बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं सब, अपने हेयर, मेकअप, क्लोथ्स इतना ध्यान देते हैं, तो इट्स रियली अनफेयर टू पिक वन.
अच्छा, होली आने वाली है, कुछ प्लान?
आई डोंट लाइक होली बिकॉज वो रंग ना निकलता नहीं, सो इट्स वेरी इरिटेटिंग.
लेकिन आपको बीइंग स्टाइलिश, आपको बॉलीवुड में सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है? और इफ यू टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम लाइक
नो वन रियली नॉट लाइक दैट.
एक्टर?
I think all the men are really handsome, so I can't pick one. It's not fair.
Perfect. Only the Holi wishes for the viewers.
Happy Holi to everyone.
श्रुति, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आपकी वेलकम बैक आने वाली है, तो क्या किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है उसके लिए?
अभी तक हम शूट कर रहे हैं और आई रियली होप कि ऑडियंस को मज़ा आएगा. बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग, एक फैमिली एंटरटेनर है. इट्स अ कॉमेडी एंड इट्स पार्ट 2 ऑफ अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल फिल्म, सो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. थैंक यू.
You're on the mark for the they want some damage.
Just show your.
Looking at camera up here.
Thank you. Once more.
You've been excited for the evening tonight?
Yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's the first year, so I'm excited to be here, especially after a long time on Camp for Filmfare Awards. So I'm very excited.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
I think it's very important to be glamorous and stylish, especially the industry we're in. I've always loved fashion. I started off as a model. I think I'm known for my style and fashion, so I think it's important for everybody. You dress the way you feel comfortable, and then you feel confident. So I think it's a very, very important thing.
But if you get a chance to choose, pick one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
To be honest, I think style and glamour go hand in hand. I don't think you could choose one. I think, the more stylish you are, that adds glamour to it. To be glamorous, you need to be stylish. So I think it goes hand in hand.
I've been seeing your pictures with Karishma all across. तो कोई movies के भी plans है आपके साथ में या फिर कुछ ऐसा भी होने वाला है आगे?
I'm just here to attend the Filmfare Awards. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Not like to comment.
Thank you.
यहाँ पे सर. He's excited for the evening tonight.
Absolutely, I'm very excited for the evening, and I'm here, and let's see what's there in store.
So how do you take it as one of the finest hosts of India? So do you take it as your criticism, praises? How do you take that?
Am I the finest host? I just got to know that. Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, I never think about that. I just believe in my work. I just like to work, and obviously feels good that friends like you give me this compliment, and I just like to work here. That's about it. So I never think about all this.
But a day before yesterday, you rocked the floor somewhere on a musical award function.
Yeah, people were really happy, and I was surprised to see that people were sitting till 1 o'clock in the night. So that's really encouraging. Felt very, very good, and what can I say? Because I don't think too much on stage. I just like to be myself, and I just enjoy myself.
But when you excited for the evening tonight?
Absolutely, I'm very excited for the evening, and I'm here, and let's see what's there in store.
So how do you take it as one of the finest hosts of India? So do you take it as your criticism, praises? How do you take that as?
Am I the finest host? I just got to know that. Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, I never think about that. I just believe in my work. I just like to work, and obviously feels good that friends like you give me this compliment, and I just like to work here. That's about it. So I never think about all this.
But a day before yesterday, you rocked the floor somewhere on a musical award function.
Yeah, people were really happy, and I was surprised to see that people were sitting till 1 o'clock in the night. So that's really encouraging. Felt very good, and what can I say? Because I don't think too much on stage. I just like to be myself, and I just enjoy myself.
But Manish, how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
I totally believe in glamour. I love to dress up well. I like to be a little stylish in life. I think that adds to your personality. For example, let's say if people are witty, people are funny. If they dress up well, they look nice. That adds to their work.
But if you get a chance to choose or pick one out of two, one would be glamorous or second would be stylish, what do you personally prefer?
In the sense, come with the question again, sorry.
दोनों में से एक choose करना पड़े, being glamorous or being stylish. तो आप personally क्या choose करें?
I think both complement each other. If you're stylish, you add glamour to that. I think if you give me a choice between being witty and being stylish, I think witty is more important for me.
But if I give you one more option, that would be being trendy or being comfortable. What would you?
Comfortable, absolutely comfortable. Yeah. But I believe in comfort.
Can I just answer why being comfortable? Not
If I wear something trendy which is not making me look comfortable, I think that will keep irritating me for a while, and after some time I won't be myself. So I would hate to do that. I would like to wear something which I'm comfortable in.
But Manish, now you have been explored yourself in all different ways, whether it's been hosting, whether it's been movies, whether it's been television. So what's next?
I don't know what next.
I
think maybe I would like to write a book one day. ये आजकल नया कीड़ा मुझे चढ़ा because I've started reading a lot. I used to read, but I've started reading more nowadays. So the more I read, I feel like one day I should write a book. So let's see.
Manish, there's pros and cons of everything. And I didn't yesterday also there were news or reports that been published saying that जब Manish Paul hosting कर रहे थे, Arjun Kapoor did not wanted to come on stage to share a stage with that.
Yeah, यार बड़ी बकवास सी न्यूज़ थी ये because I'll tell you honestly, you can ask Arjun. Arjun was very much there with me. I in fact read it somewhere in the paper that I was standing in a corner. I don't know who wrote it. I think he or she should have attended the award night to know the truth. Arjun and me, we are good friends, and I think Arjun quoted saying that he was very much there, and he was never there to host the award night. He was there to present 2 awards, and he did that very nicely, and I think we had a great time on stage.
I'm not going to take much time of yours. Last but not least, लेकिन ऐसी सब जब एक खबरें पब्लिश होती है जो जिसमें कोई factual information नहीं होती है, तो how do you react on a situation? How do your family react on a situation? Or how do you deal with a situation like this?
We don't react to these things. I think I don't like to react. I like to respond, which is very important. Reactions come very quick. I think I like to respond to these things, but frankly I just avoid these things. It's totally their call. Whatever they want to write, it's their call, it's their work. I still respect them.
Superb outstanding. What are holy plans this year? Wishes क्या देना चाहेंगे? कुछ करना चाहेंगे होली लोगों के लिए? Should be outstanding.
यार I wish मैं होली पे ज़्यादा कुछ करता. I frankly don't play Holi too much because I feel वो कलर जो लगता है वो निकलता बड़ी मुश्किल है. So that irritates me a little. तो मैं वो ज़्यादा नहीं करता. But yes, we all friends get together. We go to a friend's farmhouse. We just relax, enjoy there. So इस बार भी वही plan है. We all will get together. We'll enjoy Holi, and I would like to wish everybody and their families a very happy Holi. Play safe and colorful Holi.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you, sir.
2 minutes.
Sorry?
Thanks, sir. Thank you. You asked nice questions. What are Holi plans this year?
Holi plans, I'm shooting, yeah.
Thank you. I'm wearing a Namrata Joshipura, and this is supposed to be a jacket dress with a belt.
स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर में से क्या रहना पसंद करते हो आप? स्टाइलिश या ग्लैमर?
मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल बहुत ही क्लासिक है और आई प्रेफर कीपिंग इट सिंपल, कीपिंग my outfits as comfortable as possible, but still trying to make a statement.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. Personally, what would you prefer?
Being stylish.
Why?
I just think it defines a person's personality more. and I also believe that being glamorous can also, like, you can look glamorous wearing a full sleeve t-shirt or like being fully covered, so you don't really have to be glamorous when you show skin, and it's your personal style that defines glamour.
Holy plans this year?
Sorry?
Holy plans this year?
I'm going to be shooting, so I don't have any plans this year.
So only the wishes for the viewers.
Hey guys, this is Kajal Agarwal, and I wish all of you a very happy and safe Holi. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're done, guys? Wait.
Hi, how are you? Okay,
Really, how excited are you for the evening? Glamorous and Style Awards.
I think really excited because Filmfare, it's their first year, so we should really push them because I think this award is going to go a long way ahead.
Rita, how important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
I think आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा stressed है on being stylish and on being glamorous but I think at the end of the day clothes ये define नहीं करते, आपकी personality define नहीं करते, आप क्या हो as a person. At the end of the day वो सिर्फ clothes है, वो ये नहीं define करते कि आप क्या हो as a person.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. Personally, what would you be?
Glamorous also. I think both maybe being glamorous and stylish.
तो यारियां 2 बन रही है सब लोग tell us something like यारियां.
I don't know यारियां 2 बन रही है कि नहीं. I'm just making my second film Sanamre right now.
What are your holy plans?
Holy plans, I think to sleep through the morning.
What are the wishes for the viewers here?
A very, very happy Holi to all the viewers. Thank you.
Yeah. Excited for the evening, Imran?
Very excited tonight, yeah. I'm a little nervous. My daughter's not been feeling too well, so I didn't want to come out, but kya kare?
But Imran, how important is for a person to be stylish and glamorous?
Yeah, I think that if you go out and you're meeting people, the least you can do is look presentable.
But what about the external beauty that will be through communication apart from being?
Of course, I think it's very important. It shows respect for people when you go out to meet them that you dress decently. You have a bath, you brush your teeth, etc.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be glamorous, second would be stylish. What would you personally pick?
I think style, because yeah, glamour is one of those things which I think people get a little carried away with. Style is your personal statement. It's who you are. It's an extension of your personality.
But Imran, I would like to ask you a question, and you yourself would be able to clarify that question because there were reports that tabloids and people would be printing that your Ferrari is taking too much of noise and that has created too much of nuisance all around your neighborhood.
Yeah, रात के 12 बजे तक मैं सो जाता हूँ. मेरी 8 महीने की बेटी है. I don't have the time to be sitting around in the middle of the night.
Enjoying being fatherhood.
I'm really having so much fun with it now. The first couple of months are obviously very difficult. Once she gets to the 5-month, 6-month age, that's where they become a lot more fun.
But Imran, your fans also been eagerly waiting for you, saying that हाँ इमरान अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे, इमरान अभी कुछ धमाका करेंगे.
अरे यार मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ, पिक्चर खत्म करके ही रिलीज करेंगे. I promise.
But there is something about that, please.
Right now we're almost done with the film. We've got about 20-25 days of shooting left. I think April तक पिक्चर खत्म हो जाएगी. September में रिलीज हो रही है. I'm having so much fun on this film because I'm working with Kangana for the first time and she's just so wonderful to work with. मैं निखिल अडवाणी के साथ पहली बार काम कर रहा हूँ. He is a great actor's director. So I'm really having a very positive experience on this film.
But Imran, personally, how do you deal with the situation where things have been published or rumors have been published as factual information? So how do you react to the situation?
यार मैं पढ़ता ही नहीं हूँ. अब आप अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, if you're an actor, if you're a producer, anyway, if you're in this kind of a business, you know that people will write things, people will say things. आप उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे सकते हैं. I don't have the time to give any attention there.
So last but not the least, any holy plans you have this year?
Holy plans, yeah, it's Imara's first Holi, so I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's going to be so much fun to have her there. थोड़ी बहुत rangoli, little bit of water balloons and all. We'll get to play with her and introduce her to a family tradition. I'm so excited about that.
What is your wishes here for the future?
कौन से wishes? Holi? Hi, मैं हूँ इमरान खान. क्या हुआ? अच्छा आप ही कैमरा को दूँ. इनका क्या होगा? हाय मैं हूँ इमरान खान और मेरी तरफ से आप सबको हैप्पी होली. थैंक यू. आदिक कब? हाँ जी. हाँ. Still on Imran. We'll just wait for the sunset to finish.
So excited for the evening tonight.
Absolutely, very excited for the evening.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Sorry?
How important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish?
Well, I think that depends on the personality. Style is also a very personality-dependent thing. So, very important things, glamour and style, especially in the line of work we're in. But it should all come down to who you are as a person and how you like to identify as yourself.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose one of the two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. What would you personally?
I think definitely stylish.
Why?
Yeah, I think stylish because again, it's my own identity. Glamour is not an identity. Glamour is a tag that's already given to somebody. But style is your own style. You know, I've got my style. Imran has his own style. Somebody else, third person has his own style.
So one more criteria, if you talk about being comfortable or being, trendy, what would you prefer?
I think comfortable for sure. I think it's important to be comfortable and trendy. You can't have one without the other. But I would definitely choose comfort over trend for sure.
Any holy plans you have?
Sorry?
Holy plans?
Holy plans. Just meet some friends, meet some family, have a good time. That's about it.
Lastly, the wishes for the viewers.
Wish you all a very happy Holi and hope you enjoy this Filmfare event.
I think I'm quite excited about it, and I think congratulations to Jitesh, Anuradha and the entire team of Filmfare that they've again come out with something spectacular and very, very prestigious as always. Like Filmfare is always associated with prestige. So once again, in style, again, I think they're going to have the most prestigious awards.
So, but personally, how important is for a person to be fashionable or be stylish or be glamorous or trendy?
I think we're all in the fashion industry. We're all in the entertainment industry. So fashion and style goes hand in hand with the entertainment industry. So of course, it's very important.
So, but if you get a chance to choose one out of two, being stylish or being comfortable or being trendy, what would you personally choose?
If I was given a chance to be an option to be stylish, trendy or comfortable, I wish I could pick all three, and I think you can manage all three. yeah, of course you can.
But even the fans are always eager to know that what's next have been doing it. So tell us something about your upcoming line of projects.
My next film is Fir Se, in which I'm debuting as an actor this time. So, well, that's next.
So you'll be debuting this time?
Yes.
Only the holy wishes for the viewers.
Sorry?
Holy wishes, any plans you have?
Okay, although I'm dressed very differently, but happy Holi to everybody.
सबसे पहले तो फिल्म फेयर के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे
Style and glamour, how would I define it? It depends on what you're comfortable in and what you're comfortable wearing in your own style. That's what style and glamour is for me. I'm wearing a Harsh dress and the jewelry is my own.
Your sister is also here. How excited for you the evening tonight? Because being glamorous and stylish, how important for a person also? Would you like to know that?
Well, I'm excited to be here, and your other question was how important is style and glamour? Well, it does help you define yourself, but not to a large extent, I feel, because your personality does that for you. So, yeah.
What changes did you come to your day-to-day life after Shramita? Would you like to know that also?
I've grown as a person. I've definitely discovered what kind of actor I can be, and it's helped define me as, to an extent, to what actor I can be. Yeah.
Any holy plans you have?
Yes, if I'm not shooting, then I'm definitely going to play Holi.
What are the wishes here for the viewers?
Here's wishing everyone a happy Holi.
Excited for the evening? First year Glamour and Style Awards, Filmfare निकाल रहे हैं first year. How excited are you for the evening?
You're very excited.
Very excited, actually, yeah.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish? What would be to you?
Of course, very important because जिस फील्ड में हम लोग हैं वहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड इनफैक्ट अगर आप इस फील्ड से नहीं भी हो तब भी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
लेकिन अगर पर्सनली आपको चूज करना पड़े दोनों में से एक, whether being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylist. You start there.
I would prefer looking glamorous, and he would prefer stylish, because I think people would want to follow his style, and so that's why he wants to be stylish, and I want to look good and glamorous.
लेकिन और एक criteria में हम बात करें being trendy and being stylish, और being trendy and being comfortable.
I would say comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, and experimental.
What are Holi plans this year? Any Holi plans?
Not really.
Holi plans?
हाँ, event
we are dancing.
We are earning money.
So wishes for the viewers.
Happy Holi. Hi, this is Debina.
Hi, this is Gurmeet Chaudhary.
Wish all the viewers a very happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Oh, namaskar. Sorry? Very, very happy to be here. Some very close friends of mine, Jitesh Pillai, Anuradha from Filmfare. They're having this beautiful awards night and they wanted me to be here for it. So thank you so much for inviting me here.
So you've been on the peak of the endorsement you've been doing with number of musical shows, musical awards, musical functions, sir. So what's next?
What next? Yeah, making music, lots and lots of it.
Only music?
Only music.
There's something hidden also if you would like to share with us.
Nothing is hidden. I'm working on my next single at the moment. After Hanuman Chalisa, which happened 6 months back. Now the new single is going to happen soon. I'm working on an album also. And a few film projects for this year.
Only the Holi wishes for the viewers here. Any plans you have for Holi, sir?
आप सबको होली की शुभकामनाएं. Lots of love. Shekhar Afjani. Thank you.
This is Nachiket Balve. I feel I'm ready for a rock show right now. But because it's Style and Glamour Awards, I thought I could experiment and yeah. So that's I think I love dressing up. So I don't know if it's important per se, like outside, but I really like it and I'm from the fashion background. So I love trying new things and I like dressing up and I like, you know, doing all this. So for me it's very important. I just feel good.
But personally, what would you rather prefer having? Pick one out of two, would be glamorous or stylish. What would you prefer?
Isn't it the same thing? Like when you're stylish, you're also glamorous. I think for me, it's just like.
How will that change the criteria?
Yeah.
It will be comfortable or be trendy.
Just I don't know. I would definitely prefer to look good over being comfortable. I would prefer if I can look good and comfortable at the same time. But if I have to really choose, then yes, looking good.
Like what's next? Your friends are eagerly waiting. हाँ Manashvi.
Yeah. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है. We are talking like I have 2 films with the same production house. That is going to happen somewhere mid this year or end this year. Apart from that, a couple of projects are like in talks, but nothing's like finalized.
Any Holi plans?
I think I will be at the Times Holi party. Okay, I want to wish all you guys a very happy Holi. Thank you.
Tonight I'm wearing Gauri and Nenika, and I think if anybody in our country defines glamour, it's them. So it was just appropriate that I would wear them.
But how important is for a woman or a girl to be stylish or fashionable or glamorous?
I think, firstly, we as women, we love fashion. We love looking good. That is celebrating everything woman. So glamour, fashion, style is very subjective. It's not specific. I don't follow any trends. I think if you feel beautiful, you are beautiful. If you like the way you're looking, that's all that matters.
But do you think it's glamorous or stylish?
कहाँ से? एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस राइट नाउ मुझे कंगना का स्टाइल काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. आई थिंक वो शी इज़ वेरी डेयरिंग और आई थिंक इट हैज़ अ लॉट टू डू विथ हर एटीट्यूड. शी इज़ वेरी बिंदास कि मैं ये पहन रही हूँ तो मैं पहन रही हूँ, अभी जो कहना है बोल दो, यू नो. एंड अमंग द एक्टर्स हुज स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट आई एम लाइकिंग, सॉरी, अमंग द एक्टर्स आई थिंक देयर इज जस्ट one really stylish man who's always been stylish is Jackie Shroff, and in the younger generation I would have to say they have a long way to go before they touch that.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
I prefer being beautiful in my own eyes. As far as I think as an actress I would definitely pick that's a tongue twister. As an actress, I would definitely pick glamour because you always want to be just the most glamorous.
But like, you know, when you explode yourself so very well, been acting or been production now, so what are the ventured projects for your production house?
Listen, just because I'm into production and I'm into acting doesn't mean I can't be glamorous. I can do it all.
What are Holi plans this year?
Holi plans? Well, Holi is right after my birthday, so first I'm going to celebrate my birthday and then I'll see. Thank you.
it's very important. Style and glamour matter for everyone, not even for the stars. The regular person, the style matters. Girls are crazy about style, so it's always matter. Yeah.
Personally, आपको क्या satisfy करता है? Being stylish or being glamorous at the end?
I think both. You need both. So when you have a style, you become glamorous. So it depends. Yeah.
But your fans always been eagerly waiting, saying that next, what's next? How do you want to explore yourself with acting or being whatever XYZ season?
Next is my NS10 is coming, my film with Anushka Sharma. I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm playing a totally different character. The last I played the decent and very sober guy, and here I'm playing very aggressive and very arrogant. So I'm pretty excited about that, and hope thanks to the audience जिन्होंने हमारा ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद किया है, and मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो लोग फिल्म भी देखेंगे और फिल्म भी उनको पसंद आएगी.
So what are your Holi plans this year? Any Holi plans?
होली मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करना चाह रहा हूँ. वैसे तो मैं बिजी बहुत प्रमोशंस में हूँ, लेकिन इसके अलावा फ्रेंड्स के साथ छोटी एक पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की है, उनके साथ एंजॉय करूँगा.
So only the wishes for the viewers.
Hi, should I say?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Darshan Kumar. Wish you all a very happy Holi. Thank you.
आज मैं नहा के आया हूँ इसलिए. But what am I wearing? Perfume wise or clothes wise? Paul Smith, Alexander McQueen show off कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा, और jeans Dolce Gabbana. सब भाड़े गए.
So, but at the end, how important is for a person to be stylish or be glamorous?
देखो भाई, स्टाइल इज आई थिंक जितना आप कुछ अलग करो, डिफरेंट करो, वही स्टाइल बन जाता है. समटाइम्स वेयरिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड बैड क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो बिकम्स अ स्टाइल बाय इटसेल्फ, और लोग रिडिक्यूल करते हैं और हंसते हैं. बट आई फील कपड़े अगर आप पहनते हो तो वेयर इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. इफ़ यू फील गुड, यू फील हैप्पी, आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग.
सर, लेकिन अब क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है सर? बीइंग कंफर्टेबल और बीइंग ट्रेंडी?
सॉरी,
सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या होता है?
वेल दे से ना, बोलते फैशन किल्ड वुमेन. लॉट ऑफ वुमेन कभी कभी ठंड में मर जाते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू वेयर वेरी लिटिल क्लोथ्स. सो आई थिंक इट शुड बी अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ. आई थिंक इट्स बेटर टू बी ट्रेंडी. Comfortable you can be at home, but if you go out, you should be trendy.